Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about pine bonsai care and tips. The another name for this plant is Pinus roxburghi. Pines are very popular and lots of people consider them as most common type of bonsai tree. There are approximately 120 species of the pine. Watering the pine bonsai to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Under no circumstances should the plant be allowed to become completely dry. A regular schedule of spraying the plant with water, it benefits the plant very greatly. Make sure use well drainage potting mix. Pruning of pine bonsai tree is a slow and patient undertaking. Any heavy pruning of branch or trunk should be carried out of fall in minimize sap loss. Make sure all wounds can be sealed with petroleum jelly. The tree responds to wiring but is must be approaches in same way as pruning. Slow release fertilizer helps pine bonsai tree grow and mature. Pine bonsai tree needs balanced fertilizers such as 10-10-10. You can give fertilizer to plant within a month or two. The extent of the tree root development will dictate when it should be repotted. On average, repotting becomes necessary after 2 to 3 years. The repotting should be carried out in mid-spring, just as new growth begins. Pine should be repotted in soil that is highly free-draining. Keep in mind that the roots of trees should not be washed. Some of old soil should be incorporated into the new soil because it will contain mycorrhiza or mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza are fungi that help to maintain the health of the plant. The tree is highly challenging for the beginners. Should gain experience with another species of trees before attempting to train pine trees. Because pine trees require lots of care. So enough for today. Please look at my tree, how it looks like. After little pruning, look at my pine bonsai tree. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.